I am taking this old fall sign from last year that I got from Walmart for 35 cents and painting it three different colors: black, white, and barn red. Then I am transforming it into three different Halloween signs, each with a different theme. Now it's time to glue the zombie hands down. The zombie hands come from Dollar Tree. These are new this year. Make sure you hold and press so the hands get a good grip on the wood. Using this small stencil, along with a green metallic marker to write out zombie massage on the first sign. Using a different, smaller stencil, along with a blue metallic marker to write out Broom Shop on this second sign. After gluing the cauldron down and again using a different stencil, this time the metallic color is purple to write out Cauldron Cafe. The metallic purple wasn't bright enough like the other colors because of the barn red color on the sign. Had to use a neon yellow to highlight the letters. By using the neon yellow, it made it stand out, which was way better. Here is the final result of the Halloween sign that only cost less than $2 to make. And no one else will have the same one in your neighborhood.